Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan. Today we shall be looking at the O-level mathematics questions, and we are basically looking at logarithms. However, before we look at the questions, we need to first of all understand the rules that govern logarithmic functions or operations on logarithms. Because as we hope to look at the numbers from logarithms, these are the rules that we shall be applying to work out these numbers. So there are 6 crucial rules that we are going to look at, and our first law says that if I'm adding logarithms having the same bases, then I will simply multiply the powers. That is to say, if I have log 5 power 2 plus log 5 power 3, since the bases are the same, I will simply multiply the powers to get log 5 power 6. That is our first law. The second law says, if at all I'm subtracting, that is to say, if I have log AB minus log SC, the powers should always be the same. Then I will divide B by C to get log A B over C. For instance, if I have log 28 minus log 22, then since the bases are the same, I will have log 2 8 divided by 2, which is a 4. That is how we deal with subtraction. Then our third law says that if I have a coefficient on my logarithm, that is to say n log a power b, then the coefficient or the number behind the logarithm becomes a power of b, so that I end up with log a b power n. For instance, I have 2 log 5 power 6, so the 2 will come and power 6, so that I end up with log 5 6 power 2. That is our third law. We continue to law number 4. Law number 4 says that if at all the base is the same as the power, then that logarithm equals to 1. For instance, if I have log 5 power 5, since the base is the same as the power, then that logarithm equals to 1. The same applies to log 2 power 2. As long as the power and the base are the same, that logarithm is always equal to 1. Law number 5 tells us that the logarithm of 1, irrespective of the base, as long as the power is 1, is always equal to 0. For instance, log 10 1 is 0, log 2 1 is 0, and so on. As long as the power is 1, that logarithm equals to 0. Our last law, that is law number 6. Law number 6 says that if at all log a power b equals to c, then b equals to a power c. If log a power b equals to c, then b equals to a power c. For instance, did you know that log 2 power 8 is 3? And therefore, 2 power 3 gives me 8. That is our last law. So that has been the laws of logarithms. Now in our next video, we shall be looking at how we work out functions or operations on logarithmic problems. Otherwise, I'm teacher Ivan. Please don't forget to follow us, subscribe to our channels, so that we move together as we enjoy together.